Some people rip their tomato plants up in the summer, but I leave mine. This is my idea of fall gardening. Tons of tomatoes still left, still hanging. When the freeze gets close, I'll put them babies. Little poblano action still hanging. Habaneros, of course. Tons of them babies. When the freeze warning comes, I'll stick them on the windowsill. Well, come on, bro. These are huge. Why would you pull up your garden at the end of summer? I don't know. You don't like getting peppers and the Roma. They good loving. Don't forget that guy. The pea pepper. Little pea. Good stuff.